YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another video. I came over here to Unc house right quick so I can move the bubble. I don't like it being parked on the side of the road. Sometimes it get real tight between here. And I don't want nobody to side swipe my or run into it. So I'm gonna pull it up in there, or I might back it up over there just so it won't block the whole driveway. Yeah, I might back it up right here. I'm waiting on the radiator. And speaking of radiators, today's video sponsor is Alloyworks. Alloyworks is a aftermarket parts company that specializes in cooling systems, but they also have tons of other parts on their websites, ranging from intake manifolds like this one here. This one is for 2009 through 2020 GMC Sierra. They also have different parts as in exhaust, manifolds, AN fittings. They have cooling systems, fuel rails, they have wheel adapters, they have fuel pressure regulators, they have all kinds of parts. There will be a link in the description if y'all want to go check out their website. Like I was saying, this here is an intake manifold for a 09 through 2020 GMC Sierra. There will be a link in the description for this actual part and a link to their website if y'all want to go up there and check it out, see if they got something y'all need, man. This is an aftermarket factory replacement intake manifold. Comes with the hardware and even the little foam pad that goes under the bottom between the valley plate and the intake. Once again, I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Alloyworks. Link in the description. Y'all want to check them out. Back to the video. I couldn't find no plug for it, so new radiator coming. I ain't started this baby up ever since it's been over here because it ain't got no antifreeze in it. This car fire up on a dime every time. Swear to God. Fire up on a dime every time. I ain't gonna let it run too long because it ain't got no coolant, so I'm gonna go ahead and move it. Hopefully the radiator be here next week. I'm gonna get that baby back to the crib. But yeah, man, now we're about to shoot down to the new location. I ain't been down there neither, so gotta go down there and get everything together down there. Just wanted to move the bubble right quick. All right, let's jump on this highway, man. I'll cut y'all back on when we get down there. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, we done made it down here. I gotta get everything up. I left everything how it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and, first thing first, I'm gonna put this engine, I'm gonna separate the engine and trans, put it on the engine stand, and then I clean everything up. Go ahead and get this out the way right here first though. Get the engine hoist out the way, clean everything up. Cause it's time to start busting this thing down. Cause she way dirtier than I expected it to be. But since it's this oily, hopefully it looked real good up under there once I hit it with no chemicals in that power wash. Hoping it ain't too much surface rust or whatever. Sometimes that oil will save it. Once you clean it up, it motherfucker look brand new just because how much oil was on it. But that's where I'm at with him. I'm gonna go ahead and start splitting this, get everything cleaned up. Like I said, I left a good little bit of mess out here. You know, I like my work area to be nice and tidy before I really start working, so I don't want shit in my way, be tripping over shit. And everything I don't need from that truck, I'm just gonna put it back on that truck, have a complete truck, just roller just sitting. So I'm gonna do that right quick while I got some daylight. Let's get it. Got all the bolts out. Oh, there goes some coolant. All right, I got one out. Damn. I wasn't ready, YouTube. All right. Damn. Hit my head on the hoist. All right. Torque converter off. I think I'm gonna go and take the flex plate off too. All right. How that rear main seal look to y'all? This thing was dripping oil. All right, now I think we can go ahead and get this baby up on the engine stand. Damn, I got it up too high. We getting carried away, don't we? Just like that, she on the engine stand. I can go ahead and wheel it over there so I can get ready to bust her down. All right, she on there. I like to get stuff with these too. They got no break shit. Right. All right, yeah, we got this baby over here. Yes, sir. And we can start busting her down. For real, for real. Clean this baby up. I'm get my little workbenches and stuff straightened out. That way, as I start taking stuff off of it, I can just lay it right on out. Got plenty of workspace now. Yes, sir. Go time, baby. All right, YouTube. So I've been looking at this engine, and boy, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know where the oil leak was coming from. Now, initially, I thought it was a rear main seal leak. But since I don't got this baby out of the truck, I don't know where the leak coming from. I know them valve covers was leaking. You can see right there she was leaking. The rear main seal ain't look too bad, but I'm still gonna reseal this whole engine. I'm not gonna take the heads off. I'm gonna clean her up, reseal it all the way around. I mean, this baby was dirty. I know I said it a million times in this video, but boy, I did not expect it to look like this. Now, I think it was leaking oil from this front cover right here too. You can see all that build up right there by the front cover. But next video, we're gonna clean her up, reseal her, paint her, and slap off in Ruby. Man, let's get it. I got all my mess cleaned up. Got my work area space over here ready for some action. Got everything cleared out. Got all the pieces that came off the engine right here, intake. That's all the front accessory, flex plate. It's go time, man. It's the battery I'm gonna use for it. I've been keeping that on the charger. These are all the bolts, the little brackets and everything that came off of it. And there she go. Yeah, next video we're gonna get a bust down. I got some of the front parts of the Abby back on. I'm gonna go get some of them little wooden dollies from Harbor Freight, and I'm gonna sit the trans on that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get two. I'm gonna sit this trans on it and that trans. That way I'll be able to move them around. That's what I did with that 4L80 that I put inside Summer Rain. Make it easier to move them around when you need to clean them and stuff. But yeah, I took the lines off of it. I need to put something inside of it to plug it. I'm gonna wrap it with that tarp, but I still need to put something in there to plug them lines, plug the side where them lines go. But yeah, man, all I gotta do is put the hood back on the Abby. I'm gonna need some help. I took it off by myself, but yeah, I'm gonna need some help to put it back on. I ain't even gonna try it. Windshield already cracked. It was cracked when I got it, but I don't wanna fuck it up no more. But yeah, that's that. Yeah, man, I'm just out here cleaning up my little mess, man. I got my little trash buckets. I need to bust the blower out so I can blow this out. I was using my little air compressor. When I blew this off, I blew the ground out a little bit, but put my blower on, blow all this out, clean it, get all these leaves up. Yeah, ain't no more leaves on the trees, so I come through here one good time with the blower. Probably start up there from the front yard and just come all the way through with the blower. Should be fine. Yeah, got the hood up on Summer Rain, just connected the battery. I might tinker with it a little bit. I do got the laptop with me. Might tinker with it a little bit. Yeah, I just mess with it a little bit. But I'm just trying to get it clean out here, man. You know I like to have a clean working area. That fan shroud goes in there. Go ahead and get all this. Yeah, get the hood put on, get the fan, get everything put back in it, and then get it moved. I need a magnet tray. Where's my little magnet tray at? Hold on. But yeah, that's from that rusty knock sensor. That's crazy. I'm gonna leave it like that. I believe it'll be straight. Got the trans covered up. But yeah, YouTube, that's it for this one, man. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tinker with Summer Rain for a little bit. It's already getting dark on me. Then I'm gonna go and fall up out of here. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Boy, I'm out. Peace. Let me give y'all a quick little sneak peek of what we got going on in the next video. What your boy got that dry shaft. Got that dry shaft installed in this baby. Yes, sir. I had to put some brackets on that transmission line, the transmission cable, the shifter cable. Put 2 brackets up there to keep it out of the way of the drive shaft. But yeah, that baby in there. Got just enough clearance. But I might have to modify the exhaust right here at this X pipe just to get a little bit more clean, just to be safe. But she is clean. don't know if y'all can see it. She is clearing. She close, but she clearing. So yeah, I'm gonna adjust this exhaust a little bit right here, this X pipe, just to get a little bit more clearance.